lesson activity 1, we're going to teach students the song using echo technique. There's a particular process we're going to use in this activity. We will introduce the beat using body percussion, followed by modelling the song for students, then providing one verbal teaching instruction, echo. Students will then echo back our singing, starting at the smallest phrase level, which we will then gradually build upon until they can sing the entire song from start to finish. I'm going to demonstrate your part in this activity. The sections where I'm not singing are where the students would be echoing back the previous part that I just sang. Introduce the beat. Cue students to join you. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Echo. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo, jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo, jiggle at the window, Tideo. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Students would then sing back the entire song from start to finish. At the very, very end, we will cue them to finish. We could also use dramatic action to help students remember the lyrics of the song and also provide them another opportunity to practice the work while keeping them engaged. You can use all sorts of actions here. I'll give you a demonstration of some of my ideas. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. In lesson activity 2, we're going to perform the work as a duo. We're going to have half the class perform all of the lyrics except Tideo. We will have the other half of the class only sing the Tideo lyrics. The process we will use here is to introduce the beat using body percussion. All students will be holding the beat throughout this entire activity. We will then section off half the class and cue them in to sing. And then we're going to conduct our way through the song, letting the students know when their part arrives in the music. I'm going to demonstrate your role in this activity. I'm going to sing through the song so you clearly can see where the parts lie and how I conduct through it. You don't necessarily have to sing here. The students will be singing. Introduce the beat. Cue students to hold the beat with you. While they're holding the beat throughout the activity, section off. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Of course, you can switch roles and let them have a go at the other part. In lesson activity 3, we're going to use the syllable rhythm of Tideo to play a rhythm passing game. We will have students in circle formation, and we're going to pass a percussion instrument around the circle, giving everybody an opportunity to play the Tideo rhythm when it occurs in the structure of the music. Students that have the instrument through the jiggle at the window, Tideo, Tideo, Tideo. Through those two phrases, we'll perform the Tideo pattern 3 times in a row. Everybody else will just pass it on once they've performed it once. I'm going to demonstrate this. Just be aware that every time I do this, that would be the student to the left of me and then to the left of them, passing the instrument around the circle. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. You may need to perform the song a couple of times to get the instrument and give every student an opportunity to have a go around the circle. Moving on to lesson activity 4, we're going to use the external display button on the lesson plan to do one of 2 things. First of all, you will always be able to look at the lesson plan on a projector or a smartboard if you push that button in every lesson on the app. Specifically to this lesson plan, however, and to activity 4, at the bottom of that lesson plan, you will find the score of the music we've been singing. And it's colour-coded. The colours represent the unique themes within the work. The black and the purple themes are actually a variation of each other. The red and the green, however, are unique phrases. So we're going to put the score up for students to look at on a projector or a smartboard, and we're going to have them do some actions to connect the sound of the music to what they see on the projector. It can be very, very simple. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Now that students are aware of the colours and how they relate to the music and what they're hearing and performing, we can move on to lesson activity 5, where we're going to divide the class into 4 even groups and have each group only perform the phrase that is the colour of their group. So we could go black, group purple, group red, and group green. And we can conduct them in to only sing their phrase in the structure of the work. Again, start up the beat. and section them off. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass two windows, Tideo. Pass three windows, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Tideo, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. So just to make it very clear, in that example we had black, purple, red, and green. That's how we sectioned them off. And of course, we could move those colours around the group. Finally, in our lesson closure, and this sounds particularly interesting, it's beautiful dissonance if we get this right. We're going to divide the class now into three. And we're going to be focusing on the black phrase, the red phrase, and the green phrase. And we're going to have each group perform their phrase over and over and over without pause. And that's a melodic ostinato, a repeated melodic pattern. And we're going to layer each group in individually, and they're going to continue to sing their phrase over and over and over until we layer them out. The process we're going to use here is we're going to introduce the beat using body percussion. We're then going to section off 1/3 of our class, and we're going to start them off with their phrase, which way they will repeat until we cue them to stop. We will then section off the next third and have them come in and repeat their phrase. And finally the third group, and then we're going to layer them out however you wish. Introduce the beat. Group 1 will sound like this. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass one window, Tideo. Pass one window, Tideo. They'll keep repeating that phrase. We're going to bring in group 2. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. Jiggle at the window, Tideo. They will continue to repeat their phrase with the black phrase. Finally, bringing in the third group. Tideo, 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 Tideo. We're going to layer them out. We can switch the roles. When you hear those three parts together, it's very effective.